What's driving markets? Welcome to our Market Take. Each week, we'll bring you our latest insights on market and economic trends that are impacting investments. I'm your host, Vivek Paul, Global Head of Portfolio Research at the BlackRock Investment Institute. This week, we discuss how the fall in real estate values has played out as we long expected, and now lower interest rates and the impact of megaforces is creating opportunities. The outlook for the beaten-down $13 trillion real estate market is brightening in some key sectors and regions globally. There is no one-size-fits-all story, a feature of the new investment regime. We see important nuances by sector and region, creating potential return disparities. Central bank rate cuts are breathing new life into a global real estate market that has struggled since 2022. Tremors in this market can have economy-wide aftershocks. We had long expected a challenging backdrop for core real estate. While still playing out, real estate values have declined in line with our view across developed markets, notably in listed real estate. As policy rates have come down, lower financing costs and reduced yield on offer in other markets like credit and money markets brightens the relative appeal. Some open-ended core real estate vehicles in private markets have yet to fully reflect the changes in public real estate values, but vintages that deploy capital in the coming years can benefit from better starting valuations. We see megaforces, structural shifts impacting returns now and in the future, driving real estate demand long-term in areas like logistics. Our view of sticky inflation also makes real estate attractive in the medium term, as the asset class benefits from cash flows typically linked with inflation. Here's our market take. Outcomes could widely vary for different pockets of the market, we think. This means careful implementation is key. The real estate recovery appears further along in Europe than the US, and in the UK, where the drop in property values was larger, nearly all sectors are now delivering positive returns again. Trends with long-term structural impacts should drive demand for certain pockets of real estate, including logistics, residential, and student housing. For details, read our weekly market commentary. Go to www.blackrock.com/weekly-commentary. Thank you for tuning in. If you've enjoyed this episode, subscribe to The Market Take wherever you get your podcasts.
This material is intended for informational purposes only and does not constitute investment advice, a recommendation, or an offer or solicitation to purchase or sell any securities, funds, or strategies to any person in any jurisdiction in which an offer, solicitation, purchase, or sale would be unlawful under the securities laws of such jurisdiction. The opinions expressed are as of the date of publication and are subject to change without notice. Reliance upon information in this material is at the sole discretion of the listener. Investing involves risks. BlackRock does and may seek to do business with companies covered in this podcast. As a result, listeners should be aware that the firm may have a conflict of interest that could affect the objectivity of this podcast. For more information, visit blackrock.com